Hey guys, it's Stephanie here with TheFlowerFanatic. So spring is around the corner, which means that it's time to start sowing our seeds. I cannot wait, but at the same time, I've been a little bit overwhelmed because over the last month and a half, I've gone a little bit crazy buying seeds. I was looking online and there were so many beautiful different varieties out there, different times that they bloom, and I got a little bit carried away, like I said. So I realized I gotta get organized. I'm not an organized person naturally, so for me, this takes a little bit of thinking and work. But I found a method that works really great for me, and I know it will work great for you too. It's simple, it's easy, and we can all do it. And it's effective. So right here, I just bought this organizing kit. I'm gonna open it right here and show you what's in here. It may not seem like a big deal, but it really does take that pressure off of like, where am I gonna plant these? What time does it need to be planted? When do I sow it? It gets your mind, all those thoughts that are racing out onto here so you don't have to sit and worry about it and think about it. Well, at least for me it does. So right here, basically, I categorize this in cool colors, which means these are for the plants that like cooler temperatures. And then right here, it's for the hot weather, those brighter colors. And these plants can really like the heat and the full sun. So in my cutting garden this year, I have one half that has part shade and one half that's full sun. So these will go in the full sun and these will go in the cool shade. I created this spreadsheet. Basically, I just put all of the plants I'm growing on there. It's a quick reference. I have it on my phone. I can use it wherever, and it's just really been an awesome tool to have. The next thing I did for my part shade section is I put labels and I put dates for when to sow your specific seed. So this one goes from February 1st all the way to mid-May. After mid-May, I'm not sowing any seeds usually. And so right here, my snapdragons are in here. They like frost. They're a hardier annual, so they're a cooler weather plant. In my hot ones, I have all my zinnias. They love the heat, and I actually sow those a little bit later, so they come down to mid-April, depending on when your frost date is. Mine changes. But yeah, this just has really helped me feel a lot more confident. I feel so much more relieved. I was actually feeling really overwhelmed. With all my seeds organized, I can focus on planning, which is the fun part. I know that over the years, I'm gonna be adding more seeds and I'm gonna be trying different varieties. But I'm feeling a lot more confident now. All right, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Give me a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and good luck planting your seeds. We'll talk to you later. Bye.